This is model number 64, developing islanding arrangement automatically for grid on sensing bad voltage or frequency. This is particularly to connect one more source of supply, could be a solar with an inverter, to the grid. But connecting to the grid, one must ensure that the frequency is maintained and the voltage is also maintained apart from the phase. This is a situation where we have tried, it is now reading the mains frequency is 50 Hz, you can see the mains frequency 50 Hz and the voltage is stable. Now supposing the frequency changes, which happens normally in any grid substation for various sources being terminated at the grid. So the frequency changes, since we can't change the frequency, in this arrangement what we have done, we have connected a 555 timer to change the frequency, so that when I operate this switch, it changes to a frequency which is about 52, and till about 48 to 52 the islanding doesn't take place. Islanding means it will disconnect. Now when it crosses more than 52 and goes to 53, it indicates that islanding has happened when it goes to 53. Now I can vary this frequency here. Now if I go to this side, it remains steady. If I go to this side, now the frequency goes high, because the frequency goes high and the islanding takes place. So that is what is the frequency part. I will go back to the normal frequency, and the normal frequency, our supply frequency, is back again to 50 Hz, and because the voltage is stable, the islanding is not taking place. That means it is not getting disconnected. Islanding means getting disconnected. Lamp glowing will indicate that it is getting disconnected from the grid. Now one of them is the voltage. Now supposing I change the voltage to certain level, now this is high voltage, and the voltage has gone higher, and because the voltage has gone high, islanding has taken place. If the voltage remains normal, the islanding doesn't take place. This is for the higher voltage. This is for the lower voltage. If it falls below the acceptable voltage, it also goes for islanding. So there are three arrangements which we have taken care of. One is low voltage, high voltage, and the frequency. The low voltage and high voltage should be within the range that the grid can accept, and the frequency also should be within the range which the grid can accept. This is what is this particular project. Thank you.